Magandang araw, bagong Pilipinas. Sa pagtatapos ng Monday Flag Raising Ceremony ngayong araw, pinuri ni Chief PNP ang kapulisan at katuwang na ahensya sa mapayapang pagtatapos ng Trade Peace Rally ng INC.
I commend all PNP personnel, augmentation forces, local government units, emergency responders, traffic management teams, and partner agencies for ensuring the generally peaceful conduct of the recent three-day public assembly. Your professionalism, vigilance, and restraint enable us to preserve public order while fully respecting the constitutional right of every Filipino to peacefully assemble. Though minor incidents occurred during the opening day, these were promptly addressed in accordance with the law, leading to the peaceful conclusion of the activity.
Mula po dito sa Campo Crame, ako ang inyong PNN correspondent, Patrolwoman Rezalie Umalay, nagbabalita para sa Police News Network, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.